Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon. That is a semi-integrated Neo motorhome. That is a fully integrated Neo motorhome. You can see because Frankia did the front rather than have the Mercedes front as you've got on the first vehicle. We'll have a look at this one here, the semi-integrated version. You can put this on, well, they say you can put it on a 3.5 ton basis. I don't think you can, but I mean 4.5 ton basis, and it'll give you a stack of payload. And this has got a 7-year water ingress guarantee, which in my opinion just isn't sufficient. Anyway, compared to, you've got even Hobby given 12-year guarantees. Right, it seems a bit darker in here. I think I've turned all the lights on. Maybe there's something I haven't turned on, but I don't know what. Right, widthwise bed at the back, very nice functional kitchen block, 2 burners, modern design by Thetford, and in here a toilet. I'm going to take you straight in to show you what is wrong. Now, I did turn the lights on, but I didn't check if this were working or not, and this is a really important thing. Shower, absolutely amazing, and look at how much space there is in here. There's me, look at all of this space. You normally only see that much space when Newcastle are playing. A space above me as well, lots of room here for somebody who's even a bit bigger than me. Then you can manage that okay. Wonderful. There is 2 drainage points in the shower, fantastic. The problem is with this toilet. The toilet can be held in with this strap there, which incidentally, in my opinion, is going to get broken rather quickly. Never mind that, I think the toilet could get broken very quickly. So what you do, there's a catch, and if you push this in like that, it then pops out. We've also got this, which also pops out. Now, I haven't tried this yet, but I have tried in other videos exactly the same system. Let's see it pop back in. That is very tough to push in. Well, not very, it's a little bit tough to push in. Let's see if this one here works. It did. Great, okay, so it worked. That's the one I went into. It didn't. Good. And then you can attach this via this, and then hopefully it won't come out when you're driving. Nice big mirror, and under the mirror catch, and you've got storage behind it. Right, down here there's the fridge, and next to your fridge you've got your bed, storage around there, window on either side, only a ledge above the window, but it does have electricity, so you can charge your phones up at night, storage above the kitchen block, and here we've got an unusual bit of storage. There's that, but notice the way that it's shaped. You can see the way the door's shaped. Oh, nice touch. I like things like that. Doesn't cost much to put in, but you've got hangers there for your clothes. Access to the bed is via a ladder. I don't think at this amount of money you want access to the bed via a ladder. Black tank down there. In the underfloor, white tank, freshwater tank there, storage for shoes and things down there in the double floor, and beyond that you've got your water pump, you've got your Trumo, what you call it, the frost guard, so you can pull let the water go out when it's in storage. Drawers down here, nice lounge here, storage, place for your television with television connector, drop down bed here, which you turn the key and then you pull the thing down, but I I don't like doing things like this at trade fairs, because if anybody can see what I'm doing, I'm not worried about the staff because they know what I'm, but because I think they know me, but visitors, there's hardly anyone here at the moment, so no. You see the size of the bed from this. I can't pull the bed out properly because the chair's down here. And you see the chairs, and the bed goes up like that. And then we lock it into place with this key. I think that's a bit daft myself, and then it's locked. Then it's locked, you see, it still comes down. Okay, well, we won't. There, that definitely clicked in place, didn't it? Now is it? Oh, still, it's. I think that's. Yeah, that's it. It's locked now. Table, lovely sitting group, window in the door, always a nice feature in my opinion. And coming out, in the door, as soon as you come in, there is the place to put your shoes, which I mentioned earlier. There you go, there's it. And you've got even more access to the double floor through there. Storage down here, and if I open this up, you'll be able to see the double floor. No, you won't. Yes, you can. Sorry, this is where the normal floor is. That's the space here. But it goes actually in places even deeper than that. Storage compartments here. Here we've got the garage. Open this up. Up. There you go. There's the garage. Got another door in the other side. Same size. Enormous garage. Your electrics are there. Unfortunately, you need a screwdriver to get the mesh off to be able to fix a fuse or change a fuse or something, which isn't there. Don't think that's very good myself. And here, lovely rear with the rear which opens. Yeah, I'm gonna open this again just to show you, because here it's not. You just can't. You can scarcely tell it. That. Wow. You can see where it is, but that's great. Wow, it's really good. And coming to around here, storage, gas goes in here, very nicely done. So I just locked it. Open this up. There you go. Some of them have got a pull-out system, which is really good. Toilets here. There you go. There's a cassette toilet. And here we've got a proper container for the cassette toilet. Toilet comes out okay. That's, oh, it's a good one, that one. Look at that, how big it is. It's the first time I think I've seen this. I thought I'd seen the lot. Wow, it's a really good one. That won't go back. Clicked in place, and storage in the double floor, and there you go. Frankia Neo with a widthwise bed at the back. Just approved 3.5 or 4.5 tons. They've put a 3.5 ton basis. Wow, that's brilliant. Lightweight construction to manage that. There won't be much payload in it. I'll put some details in the description if I remember. I am noted though for not remembering things like that, and if this goes up when I'm on the road shortly after this fair, then it won't go up at all, because I don't like to write things on my telephone. I need to have a computer access and with good internet, and then I can sort of write descriptions and things like this. I can of course upload from this event via the telephone, but I don't like writing on the phone, as I said. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting for you. Then you might want to subscribe. I upload every day at 21:15, and I do live things from time to time when I'm at events such as this one. But for the moment, all the best from me in Germany.